welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be explaining gender and sex to my parents. Oh no! My mom is a government official, but she's also a singer, so go check out her YouTube channel, link in the bio. And my father is... What do you know?
Her father.
Okay, anyway, so when we talk about gender and sex, I first wanted to start with what do you people think gender is and what do you think sex is?
Good question.
Female or male?
Then what is
Okay.
gender?
Same.
You?
Gender differentiates the sex.
You both studied biology,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It was my weakest subject.
It was your strongest subject.
No. I hated it.
That's why we are not doctors.
That's why I wanted to leave science in the first place.
That was the only subject I liked in science. How is a baby born as male or female?
If there is XX chromosome, it is a girl. If it is XY chromosome, it is a boy. And the Y chromosome can only come from the male.
Yes.
So never is a woman responsible for the sex of the baby.
Thanks for making me a girl. Okay, now you have XX and XY. But what happens every time a child is born, this X chromosome and this Y chromosome may have different variations. Okay, so my X chromosome might be more, my Y chromosome might be less.
If it is a XY, and the female chromosomes are more than the male chromosomes, the male behaves like a female.
Correct. So just like that, you have many variations. So it's a spectrum. Now that we spoke about the spectrum, you have gender. When you talk about gender, you have two things to keep in mind. Gender identity and gender expression. What do you think is gender identity and what do you think is gender expression?
Gender identity is the physical shape of the gender.
What do you think?
No idea.
So when you talk about gender identity, it's what I identify with. And when you talk about gender expression, it's how I express who I am. Okay? So you are wearing kurti and pant, which makes you a typical female. A female is expected to wear a dress, kurti. They weren't expected to wear pant shirt before. So that would come under non-conformity. So if you say, yes, I am a girl, I will do that, you're conforming. Anybody can be non-conforming. It's just the way you express yourself. When you're talking about Appa, he's wearing a proper male clothing. So that is conforming. Same thing if I put his hair in a ponytail, what will happen?
It is non-conforming.
Non-conforming.
Okay, if I make you wear a tutu,
Tutu is acceptable if I go to
Scotland.
Scotland. It depends on which place you are.
It depends on your society. Every
Cultural.
society, every culture is different. So it is your societal conditioning, it is your societal norms and rules and regulations that go for conformity, non-conformity, and that is what also decides gender. Because gender is a societal construction saying, hey, if you dress like this, if you behave like this, you're a girl. But the same thing with sex is that it's organs. When you're born with organs. That's why in your biological report, you'll say sex, not gender. Gender is something that you have a choice. So
the person is born male and they can choose to be female gender.
Yeah.
If it is not the only one or a proper male child is born and it's identifying with the female.
Yeah.
It can.
Yeah. Then it'll be a she. But that's where pronouns come in. Now when we're talking about pronouns, what do you guys know about pronouns? What are pronouns?
Second weakest subject. Grammar.
That which defines a noun is a pronoun. She goes, then she is a pronoun.
Okay. Now there are many pronouns. There's so many pronouns. We'll only keep to 3 pronouns. She, her, he, him, they, them. When do you use they, them?
They means they, not us, somebody else. They, them.
You watch a lot of YouTube videos, you should know this.
They. I don't know.
When I say I don't want to be addressed as a male or a female or any other label, I will choose to say I am a they or them. You can't address me as she or he. They will be writing the exam tomorrow. I don't want labels. Then I come under the LGBTQAI, which reminds me, what is LGBTQAI?
Questions all to your mother.
L is what?
Lady.
I know.
No, I don't know.
Lesbian.
Girl.
Appa, you're talking lesbian, then
Gay.
Gay.
B is
Boy.
B is bisexual. What is bisexual?
One who can have sex with both females and male. Both
That's
genders.
homosexual.
T is what? T is what?
Transgender.
What is Q? It's an umbrella term for everything.
Queen.
Yes, they're all queens, but what is Q? It's queer. What is A? You guys tell me what A is in the comment below. Okay, so plus is every other thing that comes under this because the spectrum is so big. So many identify in a gender that is neither male or female, and that is when you have gender fluidity that comes inside. And gender fluidity is what we explained, LGBTQAI and every other thing comes under gender fluidity. And some of them might even want to not have a label. So they'll be like, I don't label myself. Number one, labels are very fluid. Like you said, bisexuals. Now you have bi plus, you have bi fluid. I can be attracted to not only one gender, that is not my own, but also attracted to many genders.
Oh, female, male, then trans.
There are many genders.
Animals la attract amatala.
कुछ भी
I have heard people being attracted to horses, dogs.
Yes, Amma, they don't come under this.
At least that is a crime, no?
Yes.
Nothing is a crime.
How is this a crime?
ಇಲ್ಲ
When
ನಾವು
you attracted-
nothing is a crime தான் ஆயிடுத்துல அதனால கேட்டு ஏதாவது உண்டாது கிரைம்ல இருக்காப்ப அது எல்லாம் பண்ணலாம் என்னடாலும் பண்ணலாம் அது மாதிரி ஆயிடும் everything is right now.
Yeah, I mean, in your generation, you weren't even allowed to love a boy. Imagine going from not letting a girl love a boy to you're a boy, you can do whatever you want. Like that would be a lot for you to take in. Just change him. My daddy told me. So that's why you're talking about sexual orientation, okay? When we talk about sexual orientation, sexual orientation is who I am attracted to. So now if I am attracted to male, then I'm a heterosexual. The same way if I'm attracted to another girl,
Homo.
that's the same thing for guy. It's a very big umbrella term. I can be a bi and say, hey, this is what my bi means.
But then you cannot hold a definition, no?
That's why it's super broad, but you can understand little bit of that. Pansexual is when you're attracted to all genders, but you don't recognize their gender. There's something called omnisexual. I can be attracted to any gender, but I recognize your gender. I'm saying, hey, you're female, but I don't care about that. Now, what is asexual?
Somebody who is not attracted to anyone.
Yeah, somebody who has no sexual attraction to anybody, but I can be romantic. I can have romance without wanting to have sex.
Good.
முந்திலாம் ஒரு பொண்ணு பையன் அவ்வளவுதான் வேற எதுவும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன் வேற எதுவும் இருக்கிறது சிஸ்டர்ஸ் there is a transgender it will be put into some men's clothing and classified as a boy. There is no transgender itself was not recognized, but now there is a variety of genders, and since it is accepted now we need to learn about it.
So even that time it existed.
It existed, it was not recognized.
Yeah, it wasn't.
It was not accepted.
There was no awareness about it either.
The acceptance was not there. In the school also they will be put as male.
And now we know there are so many diverse genders as well, other than only transgender. By the way, what is cisgender?
Sixth gender.
Cisgender. You are a cisgender.
அப்படின்னா
Your sex organs and who you are as an identity are the same. You have organs of a female, you identify as a female, you're a cisgender. Don't even know what you are.
we
Somebody
don't
asked
know
me.
terminologies here.
Yeah, now you should study terminologies. No.
Yes, I will learn.
Good boy.
So in the end, you don't need to understand somebody to really respect them. Let people be the way they are.
Thank you for watching this video with us. We hope it was informational and not too confusing. Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Let's see if it recorded or if it stopped recording. Hey, it stopped recording.
When?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
It came first 10 minutes.
We did 26
Yeah.
and we forgot what we did.
I'm joking. It got recorded.
How do that? Hi.
Okay, don't know what to
Hello everybody.
say.
Edit.
No idea. I will put that. Yeah, even I'm not some expert in this, okay?
Then why not market? How are you going to edit all this?
Dhruv, that's Dhruv's problem.